Hi, my name is Shamanpreet Kaur and I am here for my iTech 7415 master project to discuss the Sprint 1 retrospective. So our project topic is CRM system solutions. So the project client is Ms. Tina Arora and the project supervisor is Mr. Hari, and we are four members in the team, myself, Shamanpreet, Grace, Kajal and Akansha. I will discuss a few points about my project background. So the quality of the lead generation is amazing. The solar has been substandard. The company is in the urgent need of the system to generate the quality leads so that it can improve the sales team and ultimately enhance the conversion rate to improve the sales and the revenue. So this client is in the need of the implementation of a new system that will facilitate the lead generation process and further provide the high quality lead. Coming to the next, that is the product details. So the CRM, that is the customer relationship management, it is one of the suitable system that will meet the client's needs. So the with regards to the quality lead generation, a CRM system will streamline and automate the company's marketing and lead generation process. Also, the automated collection of the leader graphic data as well as the market funnel positions through the CRM system. It will facilitate the qualification of the Amazon Solar's lead and assist the firm's efforts to attract the potential client. So this is an overview for the sprint one. The start date is the 19th of July and the end date is 20th of August. So we did the literature review. We made the as is model, BPR, 2B model. We created the questionnaire. We did the analysis by both the methods, the qualitative and the quantitative. We facilitate the use case diagrams, that is the UML and ERD diagram. So the client recommendation and the return report for the for the project. So these are the user stories and the team accomplishment that are given in this slide. So each task we have distributed the task among our team, and each team member have contributed equally in the whole sprint throughout the sprint one. So the literature review part is done by each of the team members. So the estimated time period is also given in the third column, and the estimated task, or the you can say the team members who completed the task, is also given next to that. So front as this model is completed by Kajal. BPR diagram is done by me. BPR diagram and 2B model is completed by me and Grace. Questionnaire part is done by myself. Quantitative analysis is completed by Grace, and qualitative is done by Kajal. Use case diagram, the UML is completed by me, and the ERD diagram, UML and ERD diagram, these are being created by me and Akansha. Client recommendation is completed by Akansha, and the whole written project would be completed by whole the team members. So if I talk about my own component, so the individual component, what I accomplished in the sprint. So I was involved in the BPR, that is the business process re-engineering of the amazing solar's lead generation process. I have mapped I have redesigned the current lead generation process and further mapped to be process model that is facilitated by CRM. I also have developed the questionnaire in order to get the quantitative analysis and the qualitative analysis of the current organization process and proposed system. Further, I have mapped the UML use case and the class diagram with regards to the proposed CRM to propose a CRM system. So these are a few of the evidence of my work that I have done. This is the to be model, to be process model. So if I zoom it more, you can clearly see that it is the internet marketing lead generation ecosystem. So the sites, display networks, search engines, off-site content, and referral site. These all are being discussed in this diagram. So the next one is the questionnaire. So I developed the questionnaire that was required to facilitate both the quantitative and the qualitative analysis of the current organization process and proposed system. So this whole survey has been depicted. So these are the questions in that. So the next one is the UML diagram. So in the UML diagram, this is the UML diagram. In this diagram, the amazing Solar's CRM system consists of classes that is the account, contacts, leads, activities, opportunities, lead source, opportunity, product, opportunity, contact roles, and the relationship is also a relationship among us. The objects are is been discussed in this diagram. So if I talk about the how I applied the stream specific knowledge to my project. So the ability to there was the ability to champion process improvement, and being well versed in BPR facilitated the redesign of the current lead generation process. So the proper knowledge and understanding of the process improvement enabled me to design to make a to be process, and researcher skill facilitated the development of the questionnaire to facilitate so we can complete the process analysis to create a to get the proficiency in the system design. System design, I made the I mapped the UML use case and the class diagrams. So the what if I talk about what I learned from the sprint is a project a research project requires the establishment of the clear and the small goals. The process of developing the administering our survey is time consuming. So the survey part is very consuming. This search task requires the subdivisions and the distributions among the team members for the success. For the so the proper distribution of each research task should be done among the team members to get the success in that part in the sprint. So the literature review is also very essential part towards theoretical research project. Moving further, what would have been done more better in the sprint is that the placing we should have placed the higher values on the individuals and interactions rather than on the process and the tools. The communication through the scrum master should be done, and if the product owner is involved in the sprint, it would be very helpful for us. So this is all we did for the sprint one. Thank you.